The weather will be clear skies over most of the governorates with drop in temperatures and chances of dust storms over desert and open areas. There is a chance of late night to early morning low-level clouds or fog patches over the governorates of Al-Buraymi and Al-Dhahira, Oman Meteorology said in a statement. The expected maximum and minimum temperatures will be 22 degrees Celsius and 14 degrees respectively in Muscat, 10 degrees and 1 degree in Suwaiq, 18 degrees and 8 in Abri, 21 degrees and 11 degrees in Rostaq, 22 degrees and 11 in Hema, and 19 degrees and 13 degrees in Khasab. Sohar Club was crowned the champion of His Majesty the Sultan's Hockey Cup for the first time in history, after defeating Al Ahli Sidab Club through a penalty shootout in the final match at the Sultan Qaboos Sports Club in Bosher. This was on Wednesday under the patronage of the Minister of Justice and Legal Affairs in the presence of His Highness Sayyidi Yazin bin Haytham Al Saeed, Minister of Culture, Sports and Youth. France recorded 332,200 new infections in a 24-hour period on Wednesday, which is Europe's highest single-day number of confirmed COVID-19 cases. It was also the first time that French cases breached the 300,000 mark as the country continues to break daily case records during an Omicron-driven surge. Although the hospitals are preparing for the potential surge in patients, authorities are hopeful that France's high vaccination rate will prevent many people from developing severe infections, like those which were seen at the beginning of the pandemic. Nevertheless, the number of COVID-19 hospitalizations has seen an uptick, with 72% of French ICU beds now occupied by people with the virus, the Associated Press reported. The increased pressure on resources has prompted authorities to allow health workers who have been tested positive to keep treating patients in the face-to-face staff shortages. At the same time, French legislators are debating a bill on a new health pass to limit unvaccinated people's access to public places, including restaurants, regional trains, and planes. Chelsea striker Lukaku has apologized to the fans of the club, manager Thomas Tuchel, and his teammates days after saying that he is unhappy with the club. In an interview with Sky Sports Italia, Lukaku has said that he is unhappy with Tuchel's way of managing Chelsea, adding that he hopes to link up with his old club in Inter Milan. To the fans, I'm sorry for the upset that I caused. You guys know the connection that I have had with this club since my teenage years, so I totally understand you guys being upset. Obviously, it's up to me now to restore your trust, and I'll do my best to show commitment every day on the training ground and in the games to make sure we win games, Lukaku said in a video posted on official Twitter handle of Chelsea. To the manager, I apologize, and to my teammates and the squad, because I think it was not the right moment, and I want to move forward from this, make sure we start winning football games, and that I perform for the team in its best manner, he added. Lukaku was left out of Chelsea's squad for Sunday's Premier League clash against Liverpool.
You've just heard the live feed from the DTV studios on DFM 95.4. Let's talk.